Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox Browser on Motorola Edge 14 Neo. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Firefox and click search, and now click install. Now you can click open, and here you can set your Firefox browser as your default browser, or you can click not now. Now you can try out the Firefox search widget, or you can click not now. And now you can turn on notifications for your web browser, or you can click not now. And now your Firefox browser is all set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.